how you like me now. Freebie. You're welcome. Little better. Are you sure? You're welcome. That shit's heavy. It's very heavy. This town, man, is messed up. And listen, this is the snow dozer. This is the only one that doesn't get stuck. I have not got stuck. Well, I'm glad that I was able to do that for you. Let Ray and Tammy know I love everybody. It's the end. It's the end. You're welcome. That's what you do. That's paying it forward. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe as we try to help everybody that is in need the best of our ability periodically. Thanks again.